Unlock the power of relative clauses. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of relative clauses. These are a crucial part of the English language, and knowing how to use them will enrich your sentences and make your English more fluent and natural. So, let's uncover the mystery of relative clauses together. To start with, let's understand what a relative clause is. A relative clause is a type of clause that describes or gives more information about a noun. It's relative because it connects, or relates, information back to the noun. For example, in the sentence, "The book that I am reading is fascinating," "that I am reading" is a relative clause because it gives more information about the noun, book. There are two main types of relative clauses: defining relative clauses and non-defining relative clauses. Defining relative clauses, also known as restrictive clauses, provide essential information to define the noun. For instance, people who smoke should quit for their health. Here, the clause, who smoke, defines which people we're talking about. Non-defining relative clauses, also called non-restrictive clauses, offer extra, non-essential information. They are separated from the rest of the sentence by commas. An example is, "My brother, who lives in Canada, is visiting us next week." The clause, "who lives in Canada," doesn't change who we're talking about. It's just additional information. The power of relative clauses comes from relative pronouns, such as who, whom, whose, which, and that. They introduce the relative clause and refer back to the noun being described. Who and that are for people, which and that for things, and whose for possession. Now you know what relative clauses are and the types. Let's see how to use them in your English. Incorporating relative clauses into your speech and writing can make your English more complex and sophisticated. They allow you to combine sentences and reduce repetition, making your language flow better. For example, instead of saying, "I have a new car," "It is very fast," you could use a relative clause to say, "I have a new car that is very fast." And there you have it, the amazing world of relative clauses. We've explored defining and non-defining relative clauses, and we've seen how relative pronouns can connect information back to a noun. Keep practicing and incorporating these into your English, and you'll notice your fluency and sentence complexity improve. Remember, learning is a journey, and you're doing an excellent job. Keep going, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore even more exciting aspects of the English language. Until then, happy learning!